guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Rae. If you're new here, a beginner nail tech showing you my journey and hoping it helps you along yours. What's up guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video I will be unboxing this is month June of Nailboxy. I am so sorry that this video is so late. Life has continually happened, but we're here today, so let's go ahead and get into this video. If you haven't by now, make sure you check out the playlist to see all of the unboxings from Nailboxy on my channel, and make sure you guys leave a comment down below of what you would like to see else on my channel. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get straight into this video and open month June of Nailboxy. Let's see what we got inside. Ooh, got some goodies here. So I got some copper foil. So cute. I got some diamond rhinestones to put on top of the nail. It's almost like pixie dust is how it will look. I got some gold hearts to also encapsulate on the nail, some purple jewels, some purple crystals. These look so freaking pretty. And then I got some gold. I'm calling it confetti for a lack of better word. You can encapsulate on the nail. Then I received some bows, some 3D nail art, love it. Got some foil, some iridescent foil, and some tweezers. Then I got a recycling dip tray. This will come in handy. I know I have one at home that I bought from Kiara Sky, but can never have too many, right? And then last but not least, a container to keep your rhinestones, your glitters, anything of that nature in. This, I'm so glad I got this. I could really freaking use one of these in my nail drawer at my desk, so to keep things organized and so that I don't have to keep running and getting up from my table to grab certain things. And this is all of the goodies that I received from the month of June. But wait guys, I have a surprise for you. I know I said I had a surprise for you guys, so look, they accidentally sent me a second package of June Nailboxy. So I had this and I was thinking maybe I should do another giveaway. Who's ready for another nail giveaway? Your own box of Nailboxy so that you are able to try and have fun with the things that we received, or you know, that you could possibly receive in a month of Nailboxys for only $29.99. So leave a comment down below guys if you think I should do a giveaway. But that's going to wrap up today's video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with all of your other beginner nail tech friends so that we can all grow and learn together. Make sure you're following me on social media, on Instagram, Facebook, and I'm even on TikTok now at @DivaMePlz. And consider subscribing to my channel. I upload every Tuesday and Friday. I have unboxings, some come to work with me vlogs coming soon as well. And if you want anything in particular, just definitely leave that comment down below and I'll make sure I get that to you. So until next time guys, bye.